Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Chasing Dreams by Atharv. Thank you guys for helping us to reach 100 subscribers. Today I'm going to take my first lesson on coding. We will start with beginners level coding and the best suited app is Scratch. Scratch provides us with already written code which we can pick and drop to make our game. You can also make animations using Scratch which I will take in my further lessons. So let's begin guys. So guys, you have to go to a website called as Scratch, scratch.mit.edu. You have to log in with your name and account it, and you have to go to the create option to make our game. So guys, this would be the screen after you will open that create option in Scratch. I'm using the 3.0 editor of Scratch. You can use any. You can just enter the title, share the project, and here's our screen. We have to enter our codes: code tab, costume tab, and sound tab. Okay, so this is the default sprite known as the cat sprite, and we don't need it, so let's delete it. So let's make a ping pong game today. Okay, so first we are going to choose a sprite. Pretty good. So ball, paddle, and a line. You can just search it in the search bar. Here's our sprites. Let's take a good backdrop. I would go for the neon tunnel. You could go for any that you like. We would keep our line at the end to finish the game. Paddle down a bit and the ball. So let's enter the codes. So first the code is when the green flag clicked. This starts the program. Okay, when the green flag clicked, then you have to go for the forever loop. Then if then loop. I'm going to the sensing tab now and taking the touching code block, and if touching ball, we have to stop the game. So the code we have written would play like when this green flag clicked, if the ball touches that red line, the game will stop automatically. Okay, so the code for our line is good done. So let's jump to paddle. Okay, so here also say when green flag clicked, then we have to take out the forever loop. So forever loop does not do anything, but if the any code blocks inside forever loop repeats the thing. For example, if we go for stop all here, so this program runs and then it repeats itself. So here we have taken when green flag click from events tab and forever loop from the control tab. Then we have to go to motion tab and we have to take set X block and push it in the forever loop. Then you have to go to the sensing tab and take the mouse X. So mouse X is nothing but minus 240. Wow, our codes of paddle is also done. Great. Now let's jump to the ball. So, till now, the codes are not that much good. So, we have come to a ball code. So, we are making a complicated game and so much less codes. Let's check. Okay. So, first of all, the codes of the ball should be big. So, first you have to put pull out the when the green flag clicked, as this ensures the game starts properly. So, now the time has come to learn variables. So, first, a variable varies in different quantities. So, let's make a variable named score. It should be for all sprite, for this sprite not. For all sprites, score. Okay, so in ball scored, when this clicked, the score should be 0. And then when this clicked, we have to put the forever loop and then if then loop. Go to the sensing tab and pull out the touching block of code. So if the ball is touching the paddle, it should change its costume. So you can just check the costumes of the ball here: orange, blue, pink, green, and purple. So it should change its costume, next costume, and then it should and then it should be waiting for quite a seconds for the next thing. So next costume, then we have to go in the variables tab and choose change my variable, like change my score by 1, as if you as scratch is not, it won't get the code and the game wouldn't play properly if you don't pull the right code. So it should be score, change score by 1. Then go to motion tab and move 15 steps, and it should turn in 180 degrees. Okay, so last block. So the starting, when the green flag clicked from the events tab, then the forever loop, then you have to go to the motions tab and pick out point in direction and place it above the forever loop, and here you have to pick out 45 degrees, point in direction 45. So when green flag clicked, point in direction 45 and forever loop would be here. Motion, move 15 steps. And if it is on the edge, it should bounce. So if on edge, bounce code. Wow, let's clean up the blocks now. Very good, guys, very good. So the codes are now assembled, and now I would like to add some song in it to make something boring and interesting game. So let me add some sound. You have to go to the sound column and choose a sound. So Alien Creek, I don't want it. I would go for Dance Magic. So it is like this. So we need it a bit longer. So I'm just copying it and would paste it here. So this is our song and it would play until the game is ended. Okay, so now we have to add the code which plays the game sound. So start sound, dance magic would not would end when this is over. So play sound, dance magic until done. Wow, now I think so. Our game should be working. So full screen and let's try. Wow, game is pretty interesting. So guys, let's go for it a final one. And don't forget to add the wait 1 seconds as I forgot it to add it and it wasn't playing good. So we need 1 second. Play it with the mouse pointer. So let's leave it. The game stopped. Pretty interesting game for me. And let's add the title. Let's take as the ping pong parlor. Wow, good name for my game. And let's share it. Wow. So sharing the game is pretty interesting. Now people could see it too. So I've shared it. And now here comes the home screen. So you can just explore in Scratch too which games are there and ideas about it. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Chasing Dreams by Atharv and helps us help 1K subscribers. Thank you and keep watching Chasing Dreams by Atharv. Thank you.